Let me show you how to discover new music inside of YouTube Music. If you want to change up and look at new music and explore new music inside of YouTube Music, let me show you a couple of sections that you can do from. The first and the easiest way is inside of home screen. This is going to show you songs or similar songs that you are listening to. And it's going to also show you different sections such as today's pop hits and a few other sections. This is the way that you can discover a few more songs that are related. Also, what you can do is head over to the explore section. This way it lets you head over to the new releases or charts and lets you view all of the songs that are currently trending or the artists that are currently trending. Also, you have the section called moods and genres so that you can head over to different genres or moods and discover more music as well. So you can just tap and select any kind of music that you are into or any kind of music that you want to explore. This way it's going to give you a list of songs that you can explore. Now, another great feature that you can go into is open up any song, whether it's from your playlist or just a random song that you found. And then you can click on the three dotted line and then click on Start Radio. Based upon this song now, it's going to show you songs that are related in genre and is related to the mood as well. So using these three methods, you'll be able to discover new songs inside of YouTube Music. You also, however, do have the option of searching up lyrics or song titles on the search bar on the top. So that's all there is in discovering new content or new songs inside of YouTube Music. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.